Awak fikir Malaysia lebih maju dari Indonesia? Awak percaya kita masih lead ekonomi, infrastruktur, teknologi? Awak yakin jurang antara kita dengan mereka masih lebar untuk kelebihan kita? Saya ada berita buruk. Jurang memang lebar, tapi ia melebar ke arah yang bertentangan dari yang awak sangka. Hari ini saya dedahkan jurang sebenar antara Malaysia dan Indonesia yang ramai kita tak sedar. Dan angka-angka ini akan ubah segala persepsi awak tentang kedudukan sebenar negara kita. Sebelum kita mula, saya nak minta tolong awak. Kawan Indonesia, saya kata rakyat Malaysia, hidup dalam bubble persepsi lapuk. Takut terima hakikat jiran dah maju. Dia yakin video ni takkan viral sebab kita suka sangat sangkal kebenaran. Tapi saya percaya rakyat Malaysia cukup matang untuk hadapi data sebenar. Kalau awak setuju kebenaran lebih penting dari ilusi selesa, tekan butang langgan sekarang. Assalamualaikum. Mari mulakan dengan ekonomi, ukuran paling asas kemajuan. KDNK Indonesia tahun 2026 3 triliun 300 bilion dolar Amerika Serikat. Malaysia 385 bilion, 9 kali lebih besar. Awak mungkin kata populasi mereka 8 kali lebih ramai, jadi normal. Tapi tunggu. KDNK per kapita PPP, ukuran kuasa beli sebenar. Indonesia 14.000 dolar Amerika Syarikat, Malaysia 15.000. Gap cuma 1.000 dolar. 10 tahun lepas, kita 2 kali ganda mereka. Sekarang hampir sama. Dan nanti saya akan dedahkan sektor yang Indonesia completely dominate sampai Malaysia nampak macam pemain kecil. Pertumbuhan ekonomi trajektori berbeza drastik. Indonesia purata 5.5% setahun last decade. Malaysia 4.2. Mereka grow faster, consistently. Projection 5 tahun akan datang, Indonesia maintain 5 hingga 6%. Malaysia 3 hingga 4. Gap melebar setiap tahun. Compound growth ni powerful. Dalam 20 tahun, ekonomi mereka akan jadi 12 kali saiz kita, bukan 9 macam sekarang. FDI pelaburan langsung asing, Indonesia 45 bilion dolar Amerika Syarikat tahun lepas, Malaysia 8 bilion, 5 kali lebih banyak. Pelabur global pilih Indonesia bukan Malaysia. Kenapa? Market size 270 juta versus 33 juta. Growth trajectory lebih kuat, policy environment improving, infrastructure developing, political stability better than perceived. Malaysia, perception good, but reality, political uncertainty, policy flip-flop, investor confidence shaky. Infrastruktur jurang paling visible, tapi ramai Malaysian masih denial. High-speed rail Hoosh Indonesia, operational 350 km sejam. Malaysia, cancel HSR, lepas spend billions planning. MRT, Jakarta 84 km, KL 51, Airport Capacity Soekarno-Hatta 80 juta, KLIA 75, Trans Java Toll Road 1000 km seamless, plus Highway 800 dengan gaps. Setiap metrik infrastruktur, mereka sama level atau exceed kita dah. Manufacturing output Indonesia 250 billion annually, Malaysia 80, 3 kali beza. Automotive production mereka 2 juta unit, kita 600,000. Textile export 25 billion, kita 3. Electronics kita masih lead sebab Penang Semiconductor. Tapi mereka develop Batam aggressively, gap closing. Dalam 5 tahun, up manufacturing mereka akan dwarf kita completely kalau trend continue. Digital economy Indonesia 70 billion market size, Malaysia 20. E-commerce, fintech, digital services, mereka dominate. Gojek Tokopedia go to group valuation billions, regional expansion. Bukalapak, Traveloka, multiple unicorns. Malaysia, Grab successful but beyond that ecosystem thin. Tech talent Indonesia retain better. Malaysia brain drain Singapore serious issue. Tourism revenue, Indonesia 50 billion, Malaysia 20. 2,5 kali. Bali alone jana 15 billion, lebih dari seluruh Malaysia. Pelawat antarabangsa Indonesia 20 juta, Malaysia 15. Spending per turis Indonesia $2.500 Amerika Syarikat, Malaysia 1.300. Mereka attract higher spending tourists, more of them, result revenue gap massive. Commodity export Indonesia dominate completely. Palm oil 45 billion, Malaysia 20. Coal 40 billion, Malaysia minimal. Nickel critical for EV batteries. Indonesia monopolize supply, ban or export force downstream processing, value multiply. Malaysia export raw materials, low value add. Indonesia strategic resource nationalism work, capture value chain. Kita miss both. Population dynamics Indonesia advantage massive. 270 juta people, 60% under 40, demographic dividend peak, cheap labor abundant. Consumer market huge, scale economy unbeatable. Malaysia 33 juta, aging, birth rate low, labor shortage, dependency ratio worsening. Indonesia leverage youth, Malaysia struggle cope aging. Education scale Indonesia overwhelm. 10 million university students versus Malaysia 1 million. Yes, quality debate exists, but quantity produce critical mass talent, entrepreneurs, innovators. Vocational education Indonesia, supply workforce manufacturing. Malaysia, stigma vocational cause skill shortage chronic depend foreign workers. Startup ecosystem Indonesia government support strong. Venture capital flowing. Success stories inspire. Pipeline robust. Malaysia ecosystem fragmented. Funding limited. Success rare. Brain drain continue. Indonesia momentum building. Malaysia stagnant. Infrastructure investment Indonesia 20% budget consistent decade. Malaysia 10 to 15 fluctuating. Commitment level different. Result visible. Roads, rails, ports, airports, digital network. Indonesia build scale. Malaysia can't match budget allocation alone. Energy transition. Indonesia geothermal largest world. Solar wind potential vast. Nickel enable EV dominance. Malaysia renewable talk plenty action slow. Fossil fuel subsidy maintain. Transition lag. Indonesia position future industry. Malaysia stuck past. Government efficiency perception. Indonesia improve. Malaysia decline. Omnibus law. Indonesia streamline business. Malaysia bureaucracy entrenched. One MDB scandal damage our credibility global. Indonesia governance improve trajectory upward. Investor confidence follow perception. Trade volume Indonesia 350 billion export. Malaysia 230. Gap 120 billion represent jobs, income, prosperity. Every billion export support thousands jobs. Indonesia capture more. Malaysia stagnant. Poverty reduction Indonesia. Extreme poverty below 5% from double digit. Middle class expands 70 million to 150 million. Malaysia poverty already low. Middle class growth flat. Indonesia progress rate faster. Cultural confidence. Indonesia strong. Export successful. Soft power growing. Film, music, arts, global recognition increasing. Malaysia cultural identity often derivative. Authentic expression limited. Global impact. Minimal comparison. Political stability. Indonesia improve significantly. Malaysia deteriorate. Frequent government change. Coalition unstable. Policy uncertain. Indonesia coalition solid. Policy consistent. Business environment predictable. Investor prefer stability. Geopolitical positioning. Indonesia leverage size. ASEAN leader. G20 member. Non-aligned chair, bridge east-west. Malaysia small. Voice limited, influence waning. Indonesia punch weight globally. Malaysia regional player declining relevance. Currency management, Indonesia flexible pragmatic. Malaysia reactive inconsistent. Rupiah depreciate controlled support export. Ringgit volatile confidence weak. Economic management competence different. Innovation R&D Indonesia invest increasing. Malaysia stagnant. Patent filings, research output, commercialization. Indonesia trajectory upward, Malaysia flat. Future economy knowledge-based, Indonesia preparing, Malaysia unprepared. So jurang sebenar, ekonomi Indonesia 9 kali lebih besar dan grow faster. FDI 5 kali lebih banyak. Manufacturing triple output. Digital economy triple size. Tourism double revenue. Infrastructure, certain aspects exceed. Population advantage massive. Education scale overwhelming. Startup ecosystem vibrant. Investment commitment higher. Energy transition position better. Government efficiency improving. Trade gap widening. Poverty reduction faster. Cultural confidence stronger. Political stability better. Geopolitical influence greater. Currency management superior. Innovation investment increasing. Every single major indicator, Indonesia sama level, exceed, atau trajectory overtake Malaysia. Yet ramai kita still pikir kita lead comfortably. Delusion berbahaya. Reality harsh. Gap melebar against us, not for us. Kenapa ramai Malaysian tak sedar? Information bubble. Media kita fokus domestik, limited international comparison on us. Ego. Kita suka ingat glory days tiger economy 90s, ignore present stagnation, comfort zone, change scary, accept decline painful, denial easier, selective memory. Kita remember Indonesia crisis 90s, ignore transformation 20 tahun, consequence denial, policy mistakes, underestimate competitor, complacent strategy, misallocate resources, while we sleep perception past glory. Indonesia sprint present build future. Wake up moment overdue tapi leadership reluctant citizens resistant. Truth uncomfortable but necessary. Malaysia bukan lagi lead regional development clearly. Indonesia overtake multiple dimensions. Trajectory continue, we fall further behind. Not doom prophecy, statistical reality extrapolated current trends. Choice clear, accept reality, learn Indonesia success. Reform bold. Invest heavy, execute disciplined, compete seriously, or continue denial, maintain status quo, avoid hard decisions, accept permanent secondary status Southeast Asia, clock ticking, window action closing, competitor not waiting. Kesimpulan, jurang sebenar Malaysia Indonesia bukan yang kita sangka. Mereka dah sama atau exceed multiple metrics, ekonomi 9 kali ganda, dan grow faster. Infrastructure catching overtaking, digital economy triple, tourism double, manufacturing triple, FDI 5 kali, population demographic advantage, political stability better, every indicator trajectory favor mereka. Ramai Malaysian masih tak sedar sebab bubble, ego, comfort, selective perception, reality check urgent, denial luxury kita tak mampu lagi. Indonesia proof transformation possible execution discipline. Malaysia capable same but need wake up, accept gap, commit change. Kalau video ni shocking awak, good, langgan channel. Minggu depan deep dive specific policy Indonesia success Malaysia boleh learn. Share dengan decision makers, influencers. Citizens perlu sedar. Gap real, widening, dangerous ignore. Malaysia glory pass, Indonesia building future. Question whether kita join race atau spectate sideline permanent. Time choose. Consequences lasting. Urgency maximum. Jurang sebenar bukan yang kita fikir. Worse dan growing. Accept atau ignore. Reality march on regardless.